Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a simple twist hairstyle on my daughter because I am so pro knowing just how to do your own kids' hair because it's expensive nowadays to get their hair done. So I'm going to show you an easy and inexpensive hairstyle to do on your child. I used 2 packs of the Jamaican Twist Braid Hair. You could get 3 just to be safe because I know different head size vary. This is currently my favorite edge control to use not only on my daughter's hair but on my hair as well. It just has a great hold. So the first step to styling your kids' hair, you want to make sure that it is completely clean, and I like to blow dry her hair out. I just feel like it gives a sleeker style. The roots look nice and clean. Your parts look cleaner. So go ahead and scrub their scalp. Make sure it's clean. Condition it. So that way it's prepped and ready for the style. When you're all done, I absolutely love this microfiber towel. It just reduces any type of friction on the hair, and I got this from like TJ Maxx. It's a 10. You can't see it, but it's a 10 leave-in heat protectant for their hair so I don't damage it when I'm blow drying it out. You basically want to be able to rub your fingers through their head, make sure it's all detangled, and this really causes less headache, especially if your child is tender-headed during the styling process. So when it comes to parting and getting straight parts, you want to take out a rough section of hair, and then you want to take your edge control and put a good amount on that part so that way you can get those stubborn little flyaway hairs, baby hairs, to be crisp and line and make the part super straight, because especially when they're young they have a lot of little hairs like baby hairs and stuff, so you want to be able to use the edge control to really get that straight part. When it comes to creating square sections when you're parting hair, you want to part the hair in the middle of the section you have below. So if you see this new part I made, it's in the center of the square I have below it, if that makes sense. So that's how you know that the hair is going to lay properly with your parts. So Leah's hair is on the finer side, so I only need 1 strand per section. I'm going to take the center of the strand and kind of roll it up to make it sleek, and then I like to braid it on from underneath, and I start braiding down about 2 inches so that the hair is secure on her hair, and then I'll put a clip and start to twist. And I'm just going to twist all the way down to the ends. This hair is a little bit longer than I would like, but I'm going to show you at the end how I make it like age appropriate for her. So I'm going to show you a couple different times with different angles because I know the first time wasn't the best angle, but yeah, so I'm just going to part out another square. I'm going to take the Jamaican Twist Braid Hair and kind of roll it at the top to make it more sleek, and I'm going to braid it on from underneath. This is the easiest way for me to get it on her head and make it look the most clean. So yeah, I'm just gonna start braiding down probably about 2 inches before I clip it up and start to twist. As you all know, when you have a kid, you gotta give them breaks, you gotta switch different rooms. So now we're on the couch, so she's a little bit more comfortable. I find that, if I find her a nice and comfy spot and she has my phone, I'll be able to get it done. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm just going to keep on doing this all throughout her head, just showing you bits and pieces as I go until we finish, and then I'll show you how I finish it at the end to make, the length more age appropriate. So as you can see, the twists are a little long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these pink little curlers, and you can get a set of these from any beauty supply store. And I'm just going to group them together and kind of twist them on the rollers so that way I can dip them in hot water. You have to be so careful with this, but I'm just going to dip the ends of this in some hot water, and that is going to seal the ends and everything and make the hair not unravel. So now I'm going to take the rollers out, and it was still a little bit too long for my liking, so I trimmed them. But if your child is a little bit older, then you can, leave them this long. But I just wanted to trim them a little bit just because I didn't like how long they still were. And you could actually avoid this if you get shorter hair, but they didn't. This was the shortest hair that they had. So this is just a hack, that you guys can use if you need to. To really set the style in place, we're going to use some Shine and Jam mousse on the roots and on the twist to make sure that, that there's no flyaways and that everything is set in place. And then I'm also going to finish it off with some oil sheen from this argan oil line, and it just adds some shine to the style. As you can see, she loves her hair so much, and it's so much easier to get her ready for school because you can style these twists so many different ways. I done styled it half up, half down, in a bun, all these different styles, and it just makes your life easier. And it helps protect their hair. So I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.